What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Tonight, we're making a classic Jewish dish. We are making a kugel. And not just any kugel, we're making a spinach noodle kugel. The kind that's fun to say. So get your matzo meal ready. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is get some spinach. You're supposed to get 3 frozen bags of spinach, chopped spinach, 10 ounces each. Now you want these thawed, so make sure to stick them in your fridge for at least 24 hours. We're just gonna leave those to drain. While the spinach is draining, grab a pot of water, set it on high, because we're gonna boil our pasta. And the pasta you're supposed to find is essentially like the Ark of the Covenant, because I don't know where you can find it. Just get broken up lasagna noodles. Well, you're gonna have to break them up yourself. If you're feeling adventurous, look for the rombi pasta or the mafalde pasta. Those are the types you need. Good luck. Let me know if you find them. Be curious. All right, so we need 3 cups of noodles. So I'm gonna break these in half and then break them in half again. And maybe another half. I feel like that looks right. We'll go with that. Jesus Christ. Oh, good Lord. Ow. God. These are weapons. Watch out. So they said 3 cups. I mean, I don't know what that is. I mean, these aren't really measurable. Guess we could go even smaller. This might be the worst kugel we've ever seen. All right. I mean, I guess that's 3 cups. I don't know. Before we get too into this recipe, set your oven to 350. Grab a small onion, chop it real fine. All right, let's add our lasagna noodles. And we're gonna cook these per the box, which is about 8 minutes uncovered. While the noodles are boiling, let's start on our tofu mixture. Grab a food processor and throw in a cup of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 block of silken extra firm tofu. And blend. All right, we're nice and smooth. All right, grab your mixing bowl, throw in your matzo meal. We're going to add our tofu mixture. Our noodles are done. We're gonna squeeze out as much of this liquid as we can from the spinach. We're gonna add this to our mixing bowl. Take your pot of noodles and drain. Give it a good rinse. It doesn't say to mix this yet. So it says you're supposed to mix everything together. But I feel like with the noodles, they're gonna get easily broken if we don't do this first. All right, now we're supposed to add the remaining ingredients. So add your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, add your salt and pepper, noodles, and your onion. All right, we might need to mix this with our hands. So get all up in there. It actually said to mix this in a medium-sized bowl. That would have exploded all over the place. If your noodles are sticking together, which they shouldn't, but if they do, just, tear them apart. I think this is the messiest I've gotten. Also, one other correction I would like to make. If you have a large bowl, you should use that. Okay, I think we are properly mixed up. All right, grab your casserole dish, coat it with some cooking spray, and we're gonna throw in our mixture. And just throw it in the oven just like that. Really though, you're gonna spread it. And we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. Fun fact, kugel's origin Started out as a dumpling that was dropped in the middle of another classic Jewish dish, cholent. In the mid-1800s, the kugel shifted from the stew pot into its own baking dish, where it's more commonly known now as a baked casserole pudding. And in Romania, kugel almost always includes raisins. Let's take it out. Smells good. And we're gonna let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. I forgot the dill. I was supposed to get dill in there. You know what? We'll just put some dill on top. How about that? You were supposed to put a 1/4 cup of loosely packed dill in there. But here we are. Let's try it. Like I said, you were supposed to put like a 1/4 cup of dill in it. So we're gonna put some on top. I like dill. Kind of wish I would have remembered to put it in there. I would be curious to know what it tasted like with the dill in it, because the dill I think would add a little bit extra punch. Other than that, it's a good, comforting casserole. It does feel like it is lacking a bit in the salt department, so just add a bit more salt. Listen guys, a little bit of salt does wonders. It really brings flavors out, so it's a really good flavor otherwise. I mean, I'm gonna eat it, so. Alright y'all, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I'd love you for it. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and share and all that good stuff. Don't forget your dill. I'll see you all next time. Spinach Noodle Kugel.